Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about placing air terminals. First, we create a cooling supply airflow schedules to help us design supply air diffusers. Now, in project browser, go to heating and cooling loads schedules and duplicate view and click duplicate. And then rename it cooling supply airflow. Then go to the properties and select fields edit. Then remove the calculated cooling and heating load and add the calculated and actual airflow. You have here calculated supply airflow and we need the actual supply airflow. After that, click add calculated parameter and then the name airflow delta, the discipline will be HVAC, and the type factor. For the formula will be the actual minus the calculated over the calculated. The actual minus the calculated supply airflow over the calculated supply airflow. And then click OK. And you can return the calculated cooling load if you want to compare it with the supply airflow. After that, we can go to formatting and select airflow delta and click conditional format. We will select the test not between and the value 0% and 5%. And the background color red. What is the meaning of this? 0%, which means not enough airflow for cooling, and 5% too much airflow, which will waste energy. Then click OK twice to finish the settings, and we have here the cooling supply airflow schedule. Here we have the calculated supply airflow. The actual supply airflow is 0 because we haven't placed any supply diffuser yet. Now click on the Close Hidden Windows button and then double click on One Ceiling MEP. After that, type VG to turn off the sections in annotation categories and click Apply OK. After that, type WT to show the two windows and type ZA to zoom the entire model to fit the drawing area. Now, from Systems tab, go and select Air Terminals and select this type of diffuser. Then go and select the level to be ceiling 1. After that, go and put the diffuser here. Now, the default airflow for this diffuser is 235 liters per second. We will click on it and change this value to 80 liters per second and click apply. As you can see, we have the diffuser and the percentage is 3.9%. So as a result, this supply airflow has satisfied our requirement. Now we can go to the next supply diffuser. Now go and select diffuser, air terminal, and put 2 here. we need 109.8 liter per second. So I will change this value to 55 and this to 55. And these diffusers have achieved our requirements. Now I will go to the next space and select air terminal. I will put one here and I will change the flow to 45 liter per second and click apply. I can modify this diffuser and untick the right and left arrow to make it just two-way diffuser. Now let us go and select the return diffuser and change the constraint level to ceiling 1 and we will put here 1 and here and here. Let us select these return grills and modify them by removing the arrows. This will simplify the drawing. We can distinguish the supply and return diffuser by the one diagonal line. On the contrary, the supply diffuser has two diagonal lines. Since the air system uses the plenum space above the grid ceiling to collect the return air and uses second floor shaft to convey air back to roof AC unit, we don't need to worry about the airflow of return diffusers. Now let us go and select exhaust grills from air terminals and load family. Then go to libraries, select English, and then mechanical MEP air side components, and then air terminals, and select this exhaust grill, rectangular face, square neck hosted. Now select the elevation from level to 230 centimeter and click apply. And put one here and the second one here. I will move them to above. I will click on it and click cut and then paste here. We will use shafts and roof exhaust fans to exhaust restrooms odors to outside. Now it is your turn to put the rest of supply and return diffusers. And here we have finished for today. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Goodbye.